Hello everyone, welcome to the lean-to. Thanks for watching the video. Got a couple of projects to take care of today, so I think you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching. Just give you a little walk around on what we've got so far. Got to put a little more debris on the backside. Here's a quick view from the inside. As you can see, we've got a couple light holes, but that is to be expected. So we'll get that patched up. First thing I want to do is get my work gloves out. Doesn't have to be anything serious, but I want to get a bench in here today. And we'll just throw these leaves and the debris right on top. That's good. Good enough for government work. I just measured out some bank line here to the height of my body, so we make sure that we get the right size logs. Good to go. Here's the same log we got the ridge pole off. I'm wondering if we can get 2 out of this. See here. Just gonna wrap my cord real quick. I know it's time consuming, but it's important that we get the right size of log here. Ooh, that's close. It's close. Let's see if we can get another one out of it. Maybe get 2 out of 1. That'd be awesome. Yep, what I'm going to do is bring the line back about an inch or 2, and then we'll make this work. So there we go. We got 2 logs for the bench out of this. Just trying to wedge a stick underneath this so it doesn't pinch the blade. Nice, look at that. 2 nice straight bench logs, perfect. Okay, that gives us 2 nice bench logs and a ridge pole out of that 1 log. That's awesome. Look what I found on the way back. 2 risers. Too good to be true. It's awesome. Perfect. Well, work's done for the bench for now. Cool. Yes, bench is done. That went a lot easier than I thought. I'm gonna slide it out a little bit, and yeah, we will touch up the patches in the lean-to here. So moving along, moving along. Yeah. I am going to grab like 2 more logs though, but I just wanted somewhere to sit for now. Yeah, this is nice. I'm so happy to have this bench set in. Oh, just love it. Don't you love it when things just come together perfectly for you? Now we need 2 more, but we've got some more work to do today. I'm just going to kick back here and relax in my happiness. So beautiful out today. So beautiful and silent. No wind. I'm loving it. Anyways, yeah, coming along. Couple nice pieces of oak laying right here for us. Look at this nice dense firewood I cut. Look at this stuff. Look at that. That is super dense. That's beautiful. That's going to burn nice. See that? It says EA in there. It's laser grained. Has escape on the back. Pretty awesome. So I'm just going to fire up this piece of birch bark here from my fire kit. Okay. There we go. Just gonna go straight on to the twigs. And I should have made an arch, but that's gonna go for us. She'll go. Kind of stingy with the twigs, but she'll go. It's fine. Thank you for that, CRD. Came in this snakeskin case. Just be sure that you can see it. See, it's got Escape Adventures on there. It's got the logo on the front. Very cool. Thank you, brother. There's a stone we can grab, maybe for the fire pit. Pretty good. I'm not going to build a full fire pit, but I will grab stone as I find it. There's another nice one that come up. When your stones are scarce, just check by the side of trees. The big trees, like this big oak. Not much. Nothing here either. It's a nice tree. Here's one. Oh, the problem is sometimes they grow, the roots grow around the rock. Yeah, that was wedged in there. But I have had the best luck out here finding them by side of big oak trees like this. That guy. Haha, now that's what I like to see. A fire pit, a lean-to with a bench under it. Yeah, guys, moving along here, huh? Just collect them as I find them. So, why are you building a fire escape, you might ask? Well, I just happen to have a nice butcher's shop steak. Haha, that's why. And I packed this before I left. Steak seasoning. Now I gotta let it absorb into the steak nice and good because I'm gonna cowboy cook this. I can't find my grill, but that's okay. So that's how I roll, bro. That's how I roll. Yeah, buddy. A little dirt. Get some seasoning on it, huh? I'm just gonna season one side here. Yeah, just like that. Oh, let's hit the other side. Get that black crap they give you at the store. Heavy seasoning, heavy seasoning. A lot of it'll burn off. Yeah, that's looking good, huh? Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, look at this. Now, you might not be able to see the coals down in there, but they're there, trust me. All right, we got a test. A little bit of char stuck on it. I don't think it's done yet. But let's just slash into this thing. Oh, no, still too rare. You see that? A little longer. Almost, though. That looks good. Should let it rest a little bit, but that looks good there, huh? Maybe I should have waited a little longer for the coals, but still good. Ooh. Lots of fat on it. But man, that is good. Garlic and herb seasoning, I believe. Juicy as you could ever believe. Man, it's embarrassing eating this steak in front of you guys. I'm like all juiced up. Seasoning all over my face. Making chewing sound. Pretty rare. I like it a little more done than that, but that's good. No blood. That's perfect. See, now that's done just right on the ends. I'm not going to eat the fat. That's amazing. Look how this, watch this. it's so tender it just rips apart. Oh, look at that. This is the bigger piece. Oh. Wow. That's like pot roast meat. Like beef roast. That's dripping all over my bag. I haven't had a steak in a long time, guys. Let me enjoy it. Oh, so good. It's dripping all over everything. I got it all over my bag. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy this little chunk here by myself, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Oh, look at that. Juicy, dripping, medium rare. Just look at that, guys. Doesn't that look cozy? Huh? Got the bench in there, the fire pit going. We're starting to get somewhere now. All right, let's get these holes patched up. This area is pretty well picked, but that steak put me in beast mode. Anyways, I'll continue to patch like that for a while, then we're just going to let it go. I'm going to throw a tarp on it on the next trip, or maybe the trip after that, but yep, just going to keep patching away like that. Okay, that's pretty good. Couple spots that I can see, but good enough for now. The tarp will take care of the rest of that, and then we'll do this again on the back side of the tarp once we put it on. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. I'm gonna get heading out of here. We got a lot done today, more than I expected. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you like the video, give it a like, and feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next episode. Thing puts away so nice and easy. And the slider right down in there. We're good to go, guys. Again, thank you for watching. It was a lot of fun. We'll see you on the next trip.